Wix Studio versus Framer versus Webflow. Which one should you be using? Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we have a comprehensive comparison of three leading website design platforms. Whether you are a business owner, a freelance designer, an agency partner, choosing the right web designing tool is crucial for your workflow. In this video, we're going to be breaking down the strengths, weaknesses, and ideal use cases of each one of these. So let's get started. Now, to start off, let's set the stage. What exactly is a website builder? Well, a website builder has evolved because in the past we only thought of just building basic websites. However, these have become far more sophisticated with advanced customizations, and all three of these are at the forefront of advanced web building. So starting off with Wix Studio. Wix Studio is the latest evolution of the popular Wix platform designed for agencies, enterprises, and professionals. It builds on Wix's reputation for user-friendliness and adds power and powerful features like real-time collaboration, advanced responsive tools, AI-driven design tools, and drag-and-drop interface remains a central part of Wix, making it accessible for beginners but with enough depth for experienced designers. Now, moving on to Framer. Framer started as a prototyping tool but has grown into a full-fledged website builder. It is beloved by designers for its flexibility, interactive prototyping, and seamless integration with tools like Figma. Framer stands out for its real-time collaboration, advanced animation, and AI-driven design features. It's particularly strong for those who want to push creative boundaries and build highly interactive, visually stunning websites. Moving on to Webflow. Webflow bridges the gap between design and development. It offers a visual interface for building websites, and unlike most drag-and-drop builders, it gives you direct control over HTML, CSS, JavaScript without writing code. Webflow is known for its robust CMS, flexible layout system, and ability to create complex systems and custom websites. It's a favorite among designers who want a pixel-perfect control and developers who want to avoid repetitive coding tasks. Now, let's talk about the user interface and ease of use. If I click on Start Creating on Wix, it is pretty intuitive. It offers a drag and drop functionality, the menu is straightforward, and finding tools is easy. However, as you dive more into the advanced features of using Wix Studio, you might see a learning curve, especially for people that are new to web design. Then if we talk about Framer over here, signing up is very quick. You can sign up within a few seconds. You can continue with Google. It's visually appealing, modern, but it is geared towards designers that are already familiar with tools like Figma or Sketch. Its interface is more complex, reflecting its focus on creative freedom without prototyping. While beginners might find it overwhelming at first, experienced designers will appreciate the flexibility and power at their fingertips. Moving on to Webflow. Webflow strikes a balance between visual design as well as code level control. Its interface is more technical, resembling professional design softwares. There's a steeper learning curve, but once you're comfortable, you can achieve precise custom results that are hard to match with other builders. So, how much creative control are you going to get in all three of these? Wix Studio provides a vast template of fully customizable website templates with colors, fonts, layouts, all created for you, even animations, special effects, but everything can be altered. Advanced features like Flexbox and CSS Grid allow for precise responsive designs. However, your deep customizations may feel limited compared to platforms that allow direct code editing because Wix Studio does not allow that. Framer, on the other hand, is going to excel in flexibility. Its vector editing tools let you create detailed graphics without leaving the app. You can build interactive animated prototypes. Framer also supports custom code insertion, giving you more creative freedom. Then we have Webflow. The Webflow is renowned for its design and development flexibility. You can customize every aspect of your design from layout to interactions and even inject custom code when needed. Its visual interface maps directly into HTML and CSS. So what you see is what you get down to on a pixel level. And when it comes to collaboration and workflow, Wix Studio and Framer offer real-time collaboration, whereas Webflow allows for team collaboration, but its real-time features are less robust than Wix or Framer. And what about animation and interactive features, because you do want your website to stand out? Well, Webflow offers powerful animation tool, including scroll-based and hover animation. The interactions panel gives you granular control over how elements behave, making it possible to build sophisticated and interactive websites without coding. Now, if I was to compare this to Framer, it has built-in interaction and animation tools, which you can use to prototype complex micro interactions and animated flows. This is a top choice for designers that are focused on a user experience and animation-based website. Wix Studio is great because it is drag and drop. It can customize triggers like click, scroll, hover to create dynamic experiences. Now, SEO features are built in on Wix Studio. Framer produces fast-loading websites, which is great for SEO, and you can optimize SEO settings. And Webflow also offers extensive SEO controls from meta tags to structured data. Now, when it comes to pricing and value, this is where a lot of people are going to be making their dead-end decision, because pricing does matter a lot. Wix is positioned for professionals and agencies, so its pricing reflects advanced features and collaboration tools. While it is more expensive than basic plans on Wix, it offers a significant value for people that are looking to build or manage multiple websites together. Then we have Framer. It has competitive pricing with plans for individuals, teams, and even enterprisers. Then when it comes to Webflow, it offers a range of plans from basics to advanced e-commerce and CMS-driven sites. So let's do a quick pros and cons. When it comes to ease of use, it's very beginner friendly, and right now we're talking about Wix Studio. It has design flexibility at a certain limit with real-time collaboration, advanced and easy-to-use animations, good built-in SEO tools, and a wide application market. When it comes to Framer, it is moderate to steep when it comes to learning, extremely high for animation when it comes to design flexibility. It can give you real-time collaboration with strong Figma integrations and industry-leading interactive animations, excellent SEO tools, and competitive scalable pricing. Webflow has moderate learning curves, full control over HTML and CSS, but it does not have that great of a real-time collaboration effect, and it is premium for advanced features when it comes to pricing. So Wix Studio is perfect for beginners, and Framer is ideal for designers and creative teams, whereas Webflow is best for experienced designers and developers who want full control over every aspect of their site. So I hope you guys found this video helpful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.